Let's go on to see the applications of data science in different sectors. Social network platforms such as Google, Yahoo, Facebook, and so on collect a lot of data every day, which is why they have some of the most advanced data centers spread across the world. Having data centers all over the world, and not just in the US, help these companies serve their international customers better and faster without any network latency. They also help them deal effectively with the enormous amount of data. So what do all these different sectors do with all this big data? Their team of data scientists analyze all the raw data with the help of modern algorithms and data models to turn it into information. They then use this information to build digital services, data products, and information-driven apps. Now let's see how these products and services work. We'll first look at LinkedIn. Let's suppose that you are a data scientist based in New York City. So it's quite likely that you would want to join a group or build connections with people related to data science in New York City. Now, what LinkedIn does with the help of data science is that it looks at your profile, your posts and likes, the city you are from, the people you are connected to, and the groups you belong to. Then it matches all that information with its own database to provide you with information that is most relevant to you. This information could be in the form of news updates that you might be interested in, industry connections or professional groups that you might want to get in touch with, or even job postings related to your field and designation. These are all examples of data services. Let's now look at something that we use every day, Google's search engine. Google's search engine has the most unique search algorithm, which allows machine learning models to provide relevant search recommendations, even as the user types in his or her query. This feature is called autocomplete. It is an excellent example of how powerful machine learning can be. There are several factors that influence this feature. The first one is query volume. Google's algorithms identify unique and verifiable users that search for any particular keyword on the web. Based on that, it builds a query volume. For instance, Republican debate 2016, Ebola threat, CDC or the Center of Disease Control, and so on are some of the most common user queries. Another important factor is the geographical location. The algorithms tag a query with the locations from where it is generated. This makes a query volume location specific. It's a very important feature because this allows Google to provide relevant search recommendations to its user based on his or her location. And then, of course, the algorithms consider the actual keywords and phrases that the user types in. It takes up those words and crawls the web looking for similar instances. The algorithms also try to filter or scrub out inappropriate content. For instance, sexual, violent, or terrorism-related content, hate speeches, and illegal cases are scrubbed out from the search recommendations. But how does data science help you? Today, even the healthcare industry is beginning to tap into the various applications of data science. To understand this, let's look at wearable devices. These devices have biometric sensors and a built-in processor to gather data from your body when you are wearing them. They transmit this data to the Big Data Analytics platform via the IoT gateway. Ideally, the platform collects hundreds of thousands of data points, and the collected data is ingested into the system for further processing. The Big Data Analytics platform applies data models created by data scientists and extracts the information that is relevant to you. It sends the information to the engagement dashboard, where you can see how many steps you walked, what your heart rate is over a period of time, how good your sleep was, how much calories you burned, and so on. Knowing such details would help you to set personal goals for a healthy lifestyle and reduce overall health care and insurance costs. It would also help your doctor record your vitals and diagnose any issue. The finance sector can easily use data science to help it function more efficiently. Suppose a person applies for a loan. The loan manager submits the application to the enterprise infrastructure for processing. The analytics platform applies data models and algorithms and creates an engagement dashboard for the loan manager. The dashboard would show the applicant's credit report, credit history, amount if approved, and risks associated with him or her. The loan manager can now easily take a look at all the relevant information and decide whether the loan can be approved or not. Governments across different countries are gradually sharing large datasets from various domains with the public. This kind of transparency makes the government seem more trustworthy. It provides the country data that can be used to prepare itself for different types of issues, like climate change and disease control. It also helps encourage people to create their own digital products and services. The U.S. government hosts and maintains data.gov, a website that offers information about the federal government. It provides access to over 195,000 datasets across different sectors. The U.S. government has kicked off a number of strategic initiatives in the field of data science that includes U.S. Digital Service and open data.